I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Ako sa last, kuya, ulit.
I'm the one who will give instruction to the viewers. Good evening, everyone. This is California Maki, class 101. The first thing we need to do for making Maki is to be like him. You need to shave your head and be
noob
like
and
him. You also look at
nonsense.
his body. You need to be a chubby boy like him. So, as you can see, he already put in the ingredients. It contains mango, a piece slice of mango, crab sticks, nori wrapper, and rice with cane vinegar. Okay. Then the next step is yeah. As you can see, it's already done. Thank you for viewing. That's California Maki Lesson 101.